Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior Wing. This is second part of video lecture for class 7, History, chapter 7th. Chapter's name is Tribes, Nomads and Settled Communities. Students, the topic we are going to study today is who were tribal people. Student, contemporary historians. Do you know meaning of contemporary? Present at the same time. Contemporary historians have very scanty information about tribes because except some exceptions, tribes have no any written record, but they have very rich record of oral tradition, and their oral knowledge is transferred from generation to generation. So, at present time, historians take help of this oral tradition to write about historians. Student, tribes spreaded almost all the part of the continent. Their power and influence varied from place to place. At some places, they are very powerful and influential. In Punjab, Khokhar, the tribe, was very influential and powerful. After Khokhar, Gakhar communities came up, and this was also a very powerful and influential community. This was so powerful and influential that chieftain Kamal Khan Gakhar was made noble, means Mansabdar, all of you know very well. Akbar made Kamal Khan Gakhar as Mansabdar. By this, you can imagine how influential Gakhar community or Gakhar tribes were. In Sindh and Multan, Langa and Arghun were very important till they had been subdued by Mughals. Student, Balochis were influential in northwestern part of India. In western Himalaya, Shepherd or Gaddis were present. And when you move to far northeast, you will find Nagas, Ahoms, and other tribes communities. Student, in present day Jharkhand and Bihar, Cheros were present. They were very influential, and Cheros were defeated by Raja Man Singh, a general of Akbar, in 1591. Later on, Akbar defeated Cheros and captured a large booty means treasury, and fortresses from Cheros. Student, Kolis. This was also a tribal community resided in Maharashtra and Karnataka. There were also some communities in these areas, Marwar, Kolis, Berar, etc. Now, in central and western part of India or Indian subcontinent, Bhil were present. This was also a very influential community. Some became agriculturists, while some remained hunter and gatherers, and some of them became very big landlord or landowner. Student, there were other tribal community which was Gond, present in Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Orissa, Bengal, etc. That's all. Have a nice day. Stay at home to fight with Corona.